Hi, thanks very much for joining us again. This is about the book of the Explorational Journeys, Part 1 and Self Help Guide. We're continuing with Chapter 2 of I Realized I Was Enough, and we're embracing vulnerabilities today with Activity 3 is sharing your authentic self. Goal: building a deeper connection by embracing authenticity. Steps: identify one part of yourself you've been hesitant to share with others. Step 2: choose a trusted person to share this part of yourself with. Step 3: reflect on the experience and how it felt to be open and vulnerable. Reflection: how does embracing vulnerability enhance your self-acceptance? So yes, vulnerability can impact people in so many different ways. So it'll be interesting to see how it impacts you. So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and it will be great to hear from you soon.